Hi, can we take a moment for my t-shirt, please? I think I'm very on brand for today's video. As you might have read in the title, today I am doing a collective haul of everything that I bought when I was in Hong Kong. If you're wondering why I was in Hong Kong because you haven't seen any of my other videos, it is because I was in Hong Kong for like 5 months because I was on an exchange with my university and I got the opportunity to go to Hong Kong. So I went, and now that time is already over and I'm back home in Luxembourg right now. Like, time went so fast, it's crazy. Anyways, also, hi, my name is Natasha if you don't already know me. Welcome back. Honestly, there's not much to say here. I feel like I should just get on into the video because there's a lot we need to go through. I have like multiple bags just full of stuff. Like, this one is only full of clothes. I just made a bag full. That did not sound good because I had glass in there. I'm gonna put timestamps in this video where there's like the different categories that I'm going through, and the categories that I will be showing you today is clothes, souvenirs, accessories like jewelry, bags, other stuff, books as well. That's about it, but there's a lot to go through. I don't want to talk too much. Let's get into this video. First off, I think I'm gonna start off with, I can start off with what I'm wearing. So I have, obviously this top was like, I think it was my first purchase. I really wanted one of these tops. I love Hong Kong, simple. I went to the ladies market, got it, and it cost me like 15 Hong Kong dollars, like €1. Then this watch band, wristband, I don't know, like you attach it to your Apple Watch. I actually got this gifted from a brand, which is very nice, but I mean it happened in Hong Kong, so I'm gonna include it in this video obviously. But I think that's it for everything I'm wearing right now. I wanted to go through souvenirs first. Okay, technically this top is a souvenir, but I got some magnets that just say Hong Kong. I mean, it's just souvenirs. Also, don't mind my nails, they are going through a tough time right now. I had fake nails, I took them off, and honestly I haven't been able to take them completely off yet. They look horrible. We're not gonna talk about it. Another magnet is this little guy. It also says I love Hong Kong, matching with the t-shirt, and it also doubles as a bottle opener. Super cute. Then I got so many chopsticks. Like, okay, this is to give away to a friend, but then these two are for me. This is what they look like. I got these ones as well. Most of the souvenirs, I got them from the ladies market in Bangkok, if you're ever in Hong Kong. These ones I actually got just from a random store. Then I got these. These are actually from a friend. She gave them to me, and they're Korean stickers because she is Korean, so it's like to remember, but I thought it was so cute. There's just loads of different types of stickers. And then something that is very typical in Hong Kong, well, not only Hong Kong, but China as well and all that stuff, is incense. And I got both these types of incense, like the little cones. These are the incense sticks, pink and really thin. Hey! You wanna say hi? Anyways, these pink incense sticks, super thin. And then obviously I got shot glasses. I already showed these in my video, like my last week in Hong Kong, because that's literally when I got them, to add to my little collection. So I actually ended up getting quite a lot of souvenirs. I didn't think I would get this much. Should we take clothes as the next category? Because I have so much stuff to show you. And some of the stuff, I think there was like 3 or 4 things that I thrifted in Hong Kong and that I ended up in the end giving back to the thrift store because either they didn't fit me or they just weren't exactly what I wanted. So I just gave them back to the thrift store. So this isn't even everything, but go watch my thrift vlogs from Hong Kong if you haven't done that already, so you can see everything that I got there. As you can see, I have a lot of things. This bag is so heavy. Let's get to it. First things first, a white t-shirt. Got this in like one of my first weeks in Hong Kong. It has a graphic on the back. Cute. I'm gonna go through these quite quickly because I don't want this video to be too long either and boring, so we're just gonna get through it. Then I bought this little, I don't know what to call it, jumper I guess, knitted top that's like really cropped, and then the arms go out like this. These I thrifted because they were so cute, and I knew that they were gonna be so big on me, but I didn't care. I'm just gonna wear them as pajamas like this together with this top. It goes so well. I have a pair of, oh my god, there's someone right in front of my window. A pair of Levi's jeans. in like a medium wash. I'm actually thinking of remaking these and making them into a maxi skirt. So here's a little black dress, mini dress. Got it from Zara. I have another dress that I thrifted, also black, but it's a little bit more see-through. This top, I actually ended up thrifting so many of my clothes in Hong Kong. Like I bought more thrifted items than, you know, regular store items. This one's also a little bit see-through and it's ribbed, which I really like. A tank top, thrifted. This frilly tank top, also thrifted. I think this one's gonna be so cute for summer. It's actually so warm in Luxembourg right now. It's crazy. It's like 28 degrees, but I'm not complaining. I'm happy about it because I'm getting my tan on. This is the same situation as the other shorts. I knew that they were gonna be way too big for me, but I just love them so much. Like as little PJ shorts, yellow, and with the little bow at the front. I mean, come on, too cute. Then I think I got this at the beginning because I got a long sleeve, and in Hong Kong it's not cold for very long, let me tell you that. But I got this long sleeve which has a detail here at the bottom which I really like, and then it has also details on the arms, and I just thought it was like a little bit different. Then we have this tank top, flowy tank top, super cute. I love that it's like it has different materials and everything on it. I just recently wore it when I was in Mallorca. Go watch that video if you haven't already. My pile, as you can see, is building up right here. Another basic just from Zara. I did a little photo shoot with a brand, and as a little thank you they gave me a set. So it's a skirt, a mini skirt that's ruffled on the sides, and then it goes with this off the shoulder tank top, a mini skirt, white, kind of like sweatshirt material, and it has shorts underneath, which I don't know if you can see, but there's shorts underneath, and most skirts that you will buy or see in Hong Kong always have shorts underneath, which I love so much. Here is another example of that, another skirt. There's a pair of shorts underneath. This one also came with a belt. I didn't keep the belt though. I think I gave it away to the thrift store or something. But it's just a gray skirt, kind of cargo skirt, and I didn't have any skirts in this color, so that was perfect. Going for all the skirts here. I have another skirt, a beige one, and it's a maxi skirt, and in the front it has a slit. Can you see it? At the back, nothing special, just has some pockets. Then another maxi skirt, and this one is denim, dark wash, same all the way down, and in the back it has a little slit. As you can see, a little slit here at the back. I thrifted it, but it's originally from Uniqlo actually. All right, for our last two items of clothing, we have first off this blazer. It's my first ever blazer. I haven't owned a blazer. That is actually not true. I take that back. I bought a blazer last year, but I only ended up wearing it once because I had a wedding, but I didn't really like it otherwise. But this, okay, I'm gonna say that this is my first blazer because it's one that I actually like, and I wore it so much when I was in Hong Kong and still now, both just during the day, casual look, and for the evening. It's just black, oversized. I think it's from the men's section. Thrifted, I don't know if I already said that. The original brand is G2000. I think it's like a Hong Kong brand or an Asian brand, but G2000, you can find it online. Kind of similar to Uniqlo, not gonna lie. In the beginning, I thrifted this as well. It says Fila Golf, and it's kind of just like a windbreaker top, because in the beginning of my stay, it was actually kind of cold, like the wind was super cold, and I didn't bring any jackets with me, so I just got this one. That was everything for my clothes, so I guess we're gonna move on to the next category. Let's go for books. Okay, for books, I don't have all of them with me because one of them I gave to a friend after having finished reading it, but the other two I have. So the one I gave away is called The Power of Positive Thinking, and then I also got this book, which is The Subtle Art of Not Giving Up. Beep. Because we're not allowed to swear on YouTube anymore apparently. And both of those books, I got them because I wanted to try out self-help books for the first time, because I'd never really read self-help books before. I also got this book. It says that it's called Metaflora, and it's a bunch of different poems that I got from Mika. She gave it to me, which was so kind. And it was so funny because the first, I was just like reading through like this, right? And the first poem I land on referenced Hong Kong, so I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna read this when I'm missing Hong Kong and everything. On to the last category, which is accessories. So I have some bags and shoes and jewelry, all that stuff. Let me show you the shoes that I got first. I got a pair of sneakers. I got these actually when my mom came to visit me. She bought them for me. Thank you, mommy. Some Dunks that are purple and green, because I was like, summer's coming up, I want to wear some more color, and these are perfect for that. I love them so much. I also got a pair of heels. They're a little bit more difficult to show. Let me try. Okay, this is what both of them look like together. This is her. They are actually a pair of Jimmy Choos, and I thrifted them. And I thrifted them for such a good price because I don't know if I've already told this story, but I walked in there, my mom found them. I was like, I need to try them on at least, because also they're silver. I love silver things. They fit. They didn't have a price tag though, so I was like, ooh. Because one thing about Hong Kong thrift stores is that sometimes, well, a lot of the time when it's branded stuff, like, it will be more expensive. So I was like, oh my goodness, I don't know how much these are gonna be. Let me ask. So I go up, I see this little old lady. She's so cute. She looks a little bit clueless, and I'm like, oh, how much? And she just gives me a number. I think it was like 150 or 180 Hong Kong dollars. So that's like 15, 18 euros. I was like, I'll take them. Yep, let's get them. So I think she was a little bit clueless, but I am happy. Then let me show you my bags that I got. I actually ended up getting 3 bags. 2 of them thrifted and then 1 not. Firstly, I got a black bag because I just wanted a simple bag for uni to get to class too, that fits, like, my computer fits in here. It has this side if I want a little bit more bling, just want to add some details to the outfit, and it has so many pockets inside. Like, I don't know, it has pockets here and back here. Very functional and just, you know, cute, and it kind of reminds me of the Balenciaga bags, which I really like, but I don't want to support Balenciaga, so this is perfect. Once again, I was kind of in the mood of let's get some color, so I thrifted this Coach bag. It's a vintage Coach bag. I think it's a collaboration because it says Coach X Poppy on it, and then I love that it has little pockets down here. On the inside, it's like super colorful and everything. And this is also just a great everyday bag if you need to bring like a few things. If you need to bring a little bit more stuff and you can't use a mini bag, this one is so perfect for that. Then lastly, this was also when my mom came to visit me. I got this Guess bag. I love the color of it. Super summery. Can also be worn crossbody or just like this as a little mini bag. And it kind of comes as like a 2-in-1 because inside of this bag we have another bag, which also is so perfect for summer. It has still like the little blue details of the actual bag. So I've been wearing this a lot and I love it so much. Got this little purse. Cute. I mean, the color is just stunning, and some stuff that I actually still had in it are my student card and my octopus card. If you don't know what an octopus card is, it's the card you use if you need to use it kind of for everything, but mostly it's made for when you need to get transport, so a bus, the MTR, blah blah blah. But you can even use it in so many stores like 7-Eleven and other stuff like that. Last but not least, I have some bangles to show you. I just got 2. I got this one. It like opens up like this. It's just blue and gold and I love it. And then this one is a lot smaller, but I have very small wrists, so it fits me. And I don't know, I kind of thought like the theme of it just reminds me of Hong Kong and China. Has some small pandas on it. Also opens up like this. And my little bangles. And I got both of these from the ladies market. I got so much stuff from the ladies market. If you want to go shopping anywhere in Hong Kong, it's gonna be in Mong Kok. Either in the ladies market, or they have so many shopping malls there. Like the New Town Mall, I got a few of the skirts that I showed you. They're from the New Town Mall, and they have just so many shopping galleries there. So I recommend that if you ever want to go shopping in Hong Kong, if you're ever there, I don't know. That concludes my video. That's every single thing. No, That's not true. I have a pair of jeans that are in the wash that I can't show you guys. Go watch my Mallorca vlog and what I'm wearing for the airport, those jeans. There's another pair of chopsticks that I already gave to another friend. But I mean, this is most of the stuff that I got from Hong Kong, and obviously I got lots of great memories. I mean, I met so many people there and I love every single one of you. The memories that I made there are for life. I really am so grateful for the experience that I got, and I hope you guys enjoyed my big haul. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video too, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.